I'm Kurt Beach from Carrollton, Michigan. I've been coming to Geyer's for about 5 years now. What keeps me coming back is the quality of work. Things I don't understand with vehicles, they tell me. And they're quick and easy to deal with. They're truthful and honest. Whatever it needs, they will tell me. And if it doesn't need it, they just won't do it. Very competitive pricing. Here, I'm in and out, especially dealing with the work truck. I got stuff going on constantly, so I stop in, I'm out, and they take care of it. If you're looking for a great oil change, deal with great people, come to Geyer's.